How to mention someone in comments on Threads app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can mention someone in comments on the Threads app. For this, open the Threads app on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. You can download the Threads app from Play Store or App Store. Now, you want to scroll through the feed and find the post that you want to mention someone in the comments. Now tap on that post. Now tap on this comment icon over here. If you want to mention someone in the comments, you want to type at and then you want to type the name of the account over here. So you can simply type in the name of the account in this way. You will find different suggestions over here. Tap on that. Now, once you have mentioned that, you can also type in your message in this way. Now you want to tap on the post option over here. Once you tap on the post option, as you can see, you have successfully mentioned someone in the comments. Now that person is going to get the notification that you have mentioned them. They will have the option to reply you in this mentioned comment, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.